Our last section in Casey's social emotional curriculum is mastery. Now, mastery is the ability to learn and practice and perform a skill at a level that you could teach another. But it's an ongoing process, not a goal. As someone who is goal-directed, I've had to learn that the art of being human is a process. Our children are learning basic life skills. They learn to walk and talk and run and converse. They learn to use utensils and dress themselves and pack their own lunches. Eventually, they learn to be as independent as their development allows. How do parents help their children's independence? They recognize when their children are ready and then gently push. For example, if your child is really ready to get up on their own in the morning, I always recommend making a list. So then your child gets up to their alarm and they look at their list and they follow through with it all the way to packing their own backpack, getting their stuff, and going out to the car. If instead we wake them up, we tell them what to do, maybe we bundle them up in a blankie and let them watch cartoons for the morning, they're going to be less likely to really want that independence. Dependency can really block your children's belief in themselves. So take a look at your children's tasks. If they've mastered the skills needed to accomplish that task independently, then let them fly. And don't forget to take a look at our curriculum at Casey's-clubhouse.com. And through September, we still have 50% off.